Hey guys, welcome. My name is Braden Richards, and this is my Star Wars Loot Crate unboxing. Yeah, so I just got in some mail. It got delivered to my neighbors, but they just said that they got it, and now they gave it to me. So I'm really excited to open it. So here we go. I get some scissors. Okay, here we go. So this is the Endor Special Forces Loot Crate. So I'm really excited about this. So yeah, without further ado, let's open it up. Wow, this is pretty cool so far, guys. So let me unbox this just piece by piece. First off, wow, we got this really nice hoodie. I mean, you can see it's got the Star Wars logo on it, DisneyStarWars.com. Oh, heroes and villains. Wow, light and dark, good and evil. The constants of in every tale, the lore which we love woven into every stitch. Wow, so this looks like it's a pretty nice pullover hoodie. So let me cut this tag off and let me check it out. Oh wow, this quality feels amazing. Oh wow, look at the back, guys. Man, Loot Crate really outdid themselves this time. It says Alliance Spec Ops Endor Galactic Civil War. Man, guys, this is sick. Man, once again, I'm impressed by the quality of the hoodie. Wow. Yeah, you guys, I'll definitely make this a daily driver hoodie. Wow, this is awesome. And yeah. I have my sponsor too that I'd like to say this unboxing is sponsored by Kickapoo Joy Juice. DrinkKickapoo.com. Yeah, so it's one of the best drinks out there, and you're pretty much just a chump if you don't drink it. So I just made that worse. Wow, drinkkickapoo.com. Okay. Up next, we have this cool Heroes versus Villains hat. Wow, this is look really cool. I can't wait to get this out of the bag. Wow, this is awesome, guys. Okay, so here we have it. Let's see, so it's a BioWorld adjustable OSFM. Man, my friend Damien's gonna be so jealous. Wow. And yeah, so we got the similar tag. Let me cut that off. Wow, this is gonna be one cool hat. I think this is called a dad hat in popular term. I don't know if you can see it. Doesn't quite fit, but it's kind of close. So we'll call it good. Oh man, guys, check it out. Wow. Notice of deployment. Top secret. Conflict. Galactic Civil War. Location Endor. Deployment team Spec Forces Pathfinder Strike Team. Target Imperial Bunker. Disable/destroy deflector shield generator. Rebel commandos. First in, last out. The Alliance has called upon you in these dire times. Come forth. Take a stand for your freedom of the galaxy. The fate of all free beings weighs in the balance of this objective. You are the best of the best, and your training will serve you well. The supplies provided within this shipment are exclusive to your division and will aid you on your mission to the forest moon of Endor. And it says, watch out, you might run into these guys. Oh, wow, it's got even more. So it's got, this is the adjustable hat. This soft, unstructured hat is designed to be packable, comfortable, and protective. Matched to the primary foliage color found on Endor, it will conceal you and protect you. Man, that's what I need. And this is the Climate Preparedness Hoodie. Be prepared for potential climate fluctuation with this protective hooded garment. Only available for the Alliance Spec Op team. Man, that's pretty sick. Let's see what other goodies I've got in here. Oh, wow. An absolutely massive wallet. Let's check this bad boy out. Wow. This, guys, is pretty cool. So I could probably keep some folding money in here. This card, it says Heroes and Villains. Man, this is one amazing one. Check it out. Oh, it says something in Arabic back here. I can't read it, but you know, if you could, that'd be pretty cool. Oh wow, it's got a wax to it. This is pretty sick, guys. This is durable and weather resistant pocket document protection wallet. The commando wallet will keep all classified documents concealed and protected. Plenty of room for many types of currency and personal identification credentials. That's pretty cool. Wow. Here, we've got an absolutely huge pin. And it's basically just saying Endor Special Forces. Pretty sick, huh? Endor Commando, Alliance Special Forces, Spec Ops. Yeah, it'll be tough picking out where I want to put this. And then, let me see. Wear this badge with pride, knowing you're part of the elite soldiers chosen to protect the Alliance in times of need. Yeah, you know it. And then this is the Element Protection Garment, a poncho. Wow, this is looking pretty cool, guys. Endor Assault Division, first in, last standing. Man, this looks pretty cool. Let's check this piece out. You know, I think this is actually a screen prop to the one that Princess Leia wears. Actually on there, so this will be pretty cool. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Can't even see. Yeah, what can I say, guys? This is pretty cool. I got this sweet poncho, you know, in case it rains on the forest moons of Endor. This will keep me nice and dry. Let's take it out for a model. Once again, drinkkickapoo.com. Oh wow, guys, look at that. Let me try the light. Yeah, so this is me in the get-up so far. Oh, whoops. Yeah, this is pretty sick. You know, Agent Braden Richards, you know, reporting in for duty. You know, if it rains or anything, you know I'm safe in this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, yeah, anyways, guys. This is my loot crate for the Endor Special Ops unit. And as you can tell, I'm pretty satisfied with the quality of all the products so far. So anyways, if you want to get this for yourself, make sure you use my discount code. It's Braden20 at checkout, and you can get a discount of some sort. Anyways, fellow soldiers, internet soldiers, and members of the Alliance, Rebel Scum, yeah. We'll talk to you guys later. Make sure to tune in next time for another Loot Crate unboxing. Ooh-ah!